Hello students, welcome back. So are you ready for your session 2? Very good. And have you done your assignments which I gave it to you in last session? Okay. Now first let us revise what we have learnt in our last session. Meaning of noun. Noun means a word used to name a person, animal, place or an idea. Types of noun. We have learned proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is a particular name of any person, place or thing. For example, restaurant is a common noun. But which is your favorite restaurant? McDonald's. So McDonald's is a proper noun. Today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun is a noun that can be counted in numbers. For example, apple, car, bag. Countable noun has both the forms singular and plural. Singular form means one ball, one car, one tree. Means only one. Plural form means two balls, three cars, four trees. Means more than one. So these are the different examples of singular and plural forms of countable noun. Here are some rules which we have to follow while learning countable and uncountable nouns. First is singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. It means there is a boy. So a boy is a singular countable noun and is singular verb. Plural verbs are used with plural countable noun. It means there are boys playing in the garden. Boys is plural countable noun and are is plural verb. Now let's move on to uncountable noun. Anything that cannot be counted is called an uncountable noun. So, let's see different examples of these uncountable nouns. Can you count all this? Milk, sugar, water, juice, sand? No, we cannot count this. So, that is why these all are uncountable nouns. We cannot say give me one milk, give me one sugar, but we can say that give me one glass of milk. Now move on to other rule. We cannot use an or any number before uncountable nouns. For example, we cannot say give me a water. But we can say give me a glass of water. When the water is in the glass, which is common noun, then we can use a or an or any number. Uncountable nouns are always singular and should be used with a singular verb. Means if you use any uncountable noun, it is always in singular form. So we use is verb with that uncountable noun. I am going to explain you each and every rule in detail. First is singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. For example, my pencil is with you. Here, how many pencils are there? One. Very good. So, with one pencil, we will use is. So, here pencil is countable noun and is singular verb, right? In the next sentence, this ball is heavy. So here ball is countable noun and that is why we will write cn and is singular verb, right? Another rule is plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. So in the first sentence, my pencils are with you. Here pencils means more than one, so that is why S. So this is plural countable noun, and are is plural verb, right? Yes. Now in the next sentence, your eyes are very pretty. Now you tell me, eye or eyes, one eye or two eyes? Yes, so two eyes means plural countable noun, and are is plural verb, right? So hope you understand the whole concept which I explained to you. Now you also write down different sentences and practice in your notebook. Another rule is we cannot use a, an or any number before uncountable nouns. In this sentence, let's play with sand. We cannot use a sand because sand is an uncountable noun. Now we will do one activity to understand this concept. Take one A4 size paper, write down the heading noun, then types of noun, then make one horizontal line and 4 vertical lines. Now stick the 4 colored papers on the A4 size paper. If you do not have color paper, you can take plain paper. On the first page, write common noun, second page proper noun, third page countable noun, and on the fourth page uncountable noun. Now inside each page we will write different examples or different names of respective nouns. As I am showing it to you, you will write according to that. I hope you understand this and enjoy this activity. We will meet in our next session. Thank you and have a nice day.